no! The wave is stronger than... Oh, something nice! Lily, hold on! I am coming! Mom, I am moving away from the beach. Stay calm and try to float. I am scared, Mom. The water is pulling me. Someone help my child, please! Lily, wake up, my little sleepy cat. The sun is already smiling at you.
Mom, 5 more minutes, please. I was dreaming about ice cream.
If you wake up now, I promise this surprise is better than ice cream.
Better than ice cream? That sounds very serious, Mom.
Yes, very serious and a little bit exciting too.
Okay, I am awake now. Tell me quickly before I fall asleep again.
I bought 2 plane tickets for us yesterday.
Plane tickets? Are we visiting Grandma again?
No, this time we are going somewhere much warmer.
Warmer? Please say it is not the kitchen.
We are going to Hawaii this weekend.
Wait, did you just say Hawaii or did I hear it wrong?
You heard it right. We are going to Hawaii together.
Mom, this is not a dream, right?
No, unless I am dreaming too.
This is the best morning ever. I forgive you for waking me up early.
That is very kind of you, Miss Sleepy.
I feel like I just won a small lottery.
Then hurry up and pack like a rich winner.
Yes, Captain, I will pack very fast.
Do not forget your swimsuit, or you will only watch the sea sadly.
That would be very boring, so I will bring 2 swimsuits.
Bring sunscreen too, unless you want to look like a tomato.
I do not want to be a walking tomato on the beach.
Good choice. Tomatoes belong in salads, not on the same.
I will also bring my sunglasses to look cool.
Yes, you can look cool while eating ice cream again.
That is my special talent, Mom.
We will leave this afternoon, so do not pack your whole room.
But what if I need everything?
You will survive with less, I promise.
Okay, I will try to be a smart traveler.
That is my girl.
I love you, Mommy! I cannot believe we are really going to Hawaii.
Believe it and pack faster. Lily?
I am packing like a rocket now.
Let's check your bag together.
I think I packed everything important.
Good. Now let's go to the airport. The airport is very busy today, so stay close to me.
I will hold your hand like glue.
Good. I do not want to lose you here.
Do not worry, I am not a suitcase.
Still, I want to keep you safe.
There are so many people and big bags.
Yes, everyone is ready to travel.
I feel excited and a little nervous at the same time.
That is normal. Just stay calm.
The plane looks huge, like a flying house.
Yes, and we are going to live in it for a few hours.
I want the window seat, please.
You can have it, my lucky girl.
Thank you, Mom. You are the best.
I love you too, sweetie. The plane is about to take off.
Wow, we are going up so fast.
Look outside. The clouds are beautiful.
They look like soft pillows in the sky. Mommy, look at the clouds.
They're beautiful, aren't they? Do not jump on them, please. Be good for me, Lily.
I will try not to, Mom.
That's my good girl. After a long flight, we are finally in Hawaii.
The air smells so fresh and happy.
The weather is warm and sunny here.
I see the ocean. It is so blue and beautiful.
Yes, the beach is waiting for us.
Can we go swimming right now?
Wait a moment. Listen to me carefully first.
Okay, I am listening like a good student.
Do not swim too far from the shore.
I understand. I will stay close.
The waves can be strong and tricky.
Wow, so strong! I will be careful, I promise.
Stay where I can see you clearly.
Yes, Mom, I will stay near you.
Good, now you can go enjoy the water.
The water feels so cool and fun.
I am watching you. Do not go too far.
Just a little bit more, Mom.
Lily, come back now, please.
Oh no, the wave is stronger than... Oh, 잠깐만!
Lily, hold on. I am coming.
Mom, I am moving away from the beach.
Stay calm and try to float.
I am scared, Mom. The water is pulling me.
Someone help my child, please!
I see something swimming near me.
What is it, Lily?
It is a dolphin, and it looks friendly.
The dolphin is helping you. That is amazing.
It is pushing me back toward the shore.
Thank you, kind dolphin.
I am getting closer to the beach now.
I am here, Lily. You are safe.
I am back, and I am breathing again.
I was so worried. My heart was running fast.
I am really sorry, Mom. I did not listen.
You must always listen, especially near the sea.
I understand now. The sea is not a playground.
It can be fun, but also dangerous.
I learned a big lesson today.
I am glad you are safe. That is most important.
Thank you, Mom, and thank you, brave dolphin.
That dolphin is a true hero today.
I will never forget this moment.
Next time, we will swim safely together.
Yes, I will stay close like a shadow.
That is a very good idea.
I still love the beach, but I respect it now.
That is the right attitude.
This trip is exciting and a little scary, too.
Life is like that sometimes.
I am happy we are here together.
Me too, my dear Lily.
I love you, Mom, even when you wake me up early.
I love you too, even when you act like a sleepy cat.
Thank you so much for watching our story. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us. See you in the next video!